Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make a coffee on a DeLonghi Dinamica coffee maker. All you need to do is to choose if you want to espresso, bigger coffee or the biggest one, and you can also choose if you want just one coffee or make two coffees at once. To make two coffees you need to press this button. And to make a coffee, all you need to do is to press the selected button. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.